Hello, my name is Emmanuel Rodriguez, and today I'm going to talk about two phonetic sounds, two vowel sounds. In that case, talk about the sound H and the sound L. Starting for the, the vowel H, your phonetic classification is starting for a place of articulation is glottal. That means it's produced at the vocal cords or also called glottis. The type of articulation is fricative or aspiration in another way. Your voicing is voiceless, is a sound that doesn't have sound. And at other point, change of the point in that case, and now I'm going to talk about your position, articulation, and production. The tongue leads into position for whichever vowel follows the H sound. A stream is continuous a stream of air. The vocal cord is not vibrating that for the things that don't produce any sound at in the hour that you pronounce. Articulator diagram. Tip number 3 is possible pronunciation problems. Omitting H, silent H. Omitting the sounds makes had sound like at the preposition, or hand sound like an one conjunction. Substituting F for H. Substituting F before vowels like H makes hook, huge, sounds like few. And now I am finished yet. This for correction. Relax your throat and tongue, and gently let out a puff of air as if you were singing. Word occurrence, middle of words, occurs really. Example: ahead, behind, behave, inhale, anyhow, unhappy, perhaps, inherit, years. At beginning of the word occurs freely. Example: he, how, who, here, heat, have, home, hello, and heard. And the part end of the word doesn't occur at the end of the word in English. According to the investigation. Spelling pattern. Primary spelling age, example, hat or behind. Let's recall the spelling pattern. WH, example, in W question, for example, who, whom, whose, and the word wool. Oh. Okay. Now I'm going to start speak about the sound L for your phonetic classification. Place of articulation have fact in the alveolar. That means tongue tips contact the gum ridge behind upper from teeth. Type of articulation: lateral liquid approximately 8 passes continuously over both sides of the tongue. Voicing is voiced vocal cord. In that case, the vocal cords produce vibration are, at the time that you pronounce the vowel. Position, the second point of that vowel is position of articulation and production. Tongue tip pressed against the gum ridge directly behind the upper front teeth. Tongue position variation. When L is the last sound of the word, the back of the tongue is raised higher than for L at the beginning or middle of the word. A string continues and and passes over both sides of the tongue. The vocal cords vibrating. The other point is substituting R for L. Confusing L with R causes flight to sound to like fright, a late to sound like a rake. Tips for correction. Concentrate on feeling your tongue tip press firmly against your upper gum ridge. Pero tú me estás viendo. Words occurrence. Begin of word. Let, late, light, learn, leg, last, little, life, long, live. In the middle of words occur only in words like hello, family, balloon, alone, salad, believe, alive, asleep, yellow. And enough of the word all, feel, apple, people, car, call, fool, trouble, tell, able, table. It's everything for now. Thanks for listening and watching. My name was Emmanuel Rodriguez.